Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first video, hi, I'm Elena, and this is The Organized Money, where we talk about planning life, managing money, and monetizing what you know. Today, I wanted to show you how I organize my planners in order to prepare for a new week. So we're going to be planning in 3 of the 5 planners that I use on a daily basis, and these 5 planners represent 5 subjects of my life. And we're going to start off with my catch-all planner. My catch-all planner is an hourly happy planner that I use to schedule my entire day, my appointments, to-do lists, and to let myself know when to refer to another planner. So the first thing that I'm doing here is actually filling in everything that happened on last week. It's actually Sunday, and so I had not been referring to my planner over the weekend, but I had been doing certain things. So I do like to mark it down in my planner because this lets me know exactly what happened throughout the course of the week if I ever need to refer back. So now I'm pulling out the next week sheets, and I'm just going to add a couple of stickers just so I can have some decoration. I don't add many stickers. You guys know I'm a very functional planner, but I do like the way that they look. If I could find a way to add more, I would. But because I'm so busy, I don't usually get the luxury of filling up my entire planner with stickers. I have to keep it as functional as possible. I use boxes in order to highlight any appointments or meetings that I have throughout the course of the week. And then other than that, the other stickers are quite small and functional. So this is my catch-all planner. It's an hourly happy planner that I use to actually time block my entire day, and it is basically the overview of my life. This is the planner that tells me when I need to refer to another planner. As you guys know, I have 5 of them. I have my schedule, my business, my home, finances, and my church. This is the schedule planner. This is the one that kind of lets me know where I'm supposed to be and when I'm supposed to be doing certain things. I'm adding the weather. Sometimes I do this, sometimes I don't. It just depends on how many times I'm leaving the house. And lately we have been keeping track of the weather to let my kids know when they can go into the pool. So that's the very first thing that I did, is add it next to each day of the week so that I know when they're able to go outside or not. I use my sidebar for future planning. So as you can see, I've added the sticker and basically labeled it next week because that's where I'm going to lay out anything that's happening in the following week. So now I'm just going to add the details of my week, starting with my appointments. Most of my appointments are Zoom calls nowadays, but I like to add them into my planner in box stickers just to highlight to me that it is a meeting. Then I will add my routines, I'll add my to-dos and everything else throughout the course of the day. If it's my home routine, then I will just basically allot that it's a home routine and just kind of block out a certain amount of hours. But I will refer to my home planner in order to see the details of what exactly I need to be doing during this time frame. And you guys will get to see exactly what I mean when we get to the home planning part in this video. The next thing that I'll do is add my top to-dos, my top priorities at the very top of my hourly planner. This is in this box. I think that this is such a great way to add different things that you may not have a certain time to do, but you want to make sure that they get done throughout the course of the day. So I'll add these things here, and then anytime I find myself having a little bit of extra time throughout the course of my day, I will refer to my planner and squeeze in one of the things that did not have a specific time frame for me to do it. So I don't plan much at the tail end of the week while it's still the beginning of the week. I do like to plan as my days kind of go along, and usually on Wednesdays, once I have more of a feel of the week, then I will add way more detail on for Thursday through Sunday. Thursday is actually my birthday, so I'm very excited about that, and I am still kind of finalizing details of what I'm going to do with my husband or with my friends. So once again, I'm not going to put too much detail on those days. And now I'm just taking the details that are out of my phone on my phone calendar to add it to the next week column just so I don't forget and it's actually in my planner. I'm going to pop these pages back in and that's going to be it for my catch-all planner. And then the next planner we're going to go to is my business planner. And this is where I'm going to put all of the details of how I plan out my business. So the first thing is I'm going to add a couple of stickers. This is from the same sticker book. I do try my best to keep the same theme going. Whatever theme I pick for my catch-all planner, I will try and do that same theme for my business planner and for my home planner. So then that way the weeks kind of coordinate and I know that I was in all three of these planners at the same time. The next thing that I'm going to do is actually fill in all of the details of what's coming up. The first thing is what I am going to film. Since I like to film every other day throughout the week, and videos go up every Tuesday and Friday, I do like to film at least 3 videos throughout the course of the week. I make it a goal to film 3 videos and to have 2 of them go up, and then that way I'm always at least 1 video ahead. Down here, I'm adding in my habit trackers of the 3 different things that I want to complete, and that is answering comments every day, answering emails every day, and reading for 30 minutes. At the bottom, I'm just going to add in my business goals of what I want to do, and then on the side here, I'm adding my current YouTube and Instagram numbers. I post to Instagram once a day, so this is my template of what I am going to post throughout the week. That way I'm not trying to rack my brain trying to figure out what I want to post. And then on each day of the week, I just want to jot down the details of the different things that I like to do. I like to have out at least 10 orders a day. If I can try and ship 10 orders a day, that's great for me. I like to film every other day, and then I like to schedule out when YouTube videos are going up and when I have certain client meetings. So that's just me adding in all of the details of the different things that I'm going to get done for my business. So if I start working on business goals or business things at 9 a.m. in my planner and I have until 12 p.m. on my schedule planner, my catch-all planner, then I will refer to this list to see exactly what I am trying to accomplish, what task I'm trying to accomplish for that day. So this one is very, very functional, as you can see. And now I'm just going to pop these pages back in. And the next planner that we're going to go to is my home planner. So the first thing that I'm going to do is white out all of the dates. And then I'm going to add some noted stickers. These are from the Wild Styled sticker book from Happy Planner. So I'm just going to add in, once again, minimal stickers. And they're all from the Wild Style sticker book. And this is just so that I can decorate just a little bit on top of my functional planning. So when I set up my home planner, I originally had 7 subjects and I had those subjects going across the top. But then I realized that if I did it that way, that I had no room for Saturday or Sunday. So I did switch it and combine some of the subjects so that I could have 5 subjects related to the home and be able to do the days of the week across the top. My 5 home subjects now are my cleaning, organization, health, family, and projects. A lot of the things that I do around our house is based on routine, so a lot of this is going to be very repetitive, and I know that it may seem redundant to a lot of you, but I do quite enjoy actually being able to check off when I have done certain things, even if I'm doing the exact same thing every single day. I truly enjoy checking it off. It makes me feel like I'm actually accomplished certain things, and sometimes I just need that win. I just need to be able to check off a box. So that's what I'm doing here. I'm just basically setting up the different things that I want to get done throughout the course of the week in our house. And like I said, we will clean certain things and then I will organize other things. Like I might have to declutter or decide on a certain system for our clothing, and so that's what I'll write out here, and then different things that we may want to do with the girls or with our family, like family movie night. I will add that all here too. There are a bunch of projects that I need to get done in the house, so we're going to just take that step by step and day by day. And that's basically it. So I'm just popping these pages back in, and I'm doing some rearranging of my planners just so I can flip to them easily. And now I'm just going to do a final flip through of showing you how everything looks together, the entire week's planned out. The only two that I didn't do in this video was my finance planner, my budget planner, and my church planner. Church planner y'all never see because it has some sensitive information in there, but my finance planner, I always dedicate a special video because it's so detailed and it's so much to set that up. But this is how everything looks for the week, and I feel prepped and ready to go. Let me know, guys, if this is similar to your system or if you like this type of video, and I will do more in the future. Until next time, keep organizing your life so you can achieve your dreams. Bye, guys.